Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add this welcome message to your Discord. So what this is going to do is basically add a welcome message to any new user that join your Discord server. And as you can see, I've added into my Discord here. So let me go ahead and show you how to actually get this in step by step. So what you want to do, go ahead and find your server that you want to add this to. I'm going to use, for example, this DrewTut server here on the right hand side. Click the drop down and go to the app directory. Now you want to search for this one called Dino and hit enter, search for it. You'll be able to find it, click on that. And from here, you want to go ahead and add the app. It's going to ask you to authorize it, and you want to go ahead and sign into Discord, authorize it, basically give it permissions. Now, once that is done, it's going to take you over to this section here where you will have most likely dashboard. It's going to take you into the module. You want to go to module in any case and simple type in message or welcome, and you will find this welcome one here, and you want to go ahead and turn that on and go to the settings. Afterwards, once you're in the settings, guys, you want to go ahead and select message, select the channel that you want to use. In my case, I'm going to just use the welcome one, and towards the bottom here, you want to scroll down and ensure that you put in the message that you want. So in this case, you can type whatever you want. So you can see that right now it's currently giving you an example that you can type in welcome. So you can just simply do that. So you can say welcome. So this is going to be the base that I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you how to add in the variables so that it pulls the original data. So the server, you want to go ahead and find the server name or the channel name. Let's put it like that so you can choose. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and use the channel. So I'm going to go ahead and copy channel, for example, channel, and I'm going to switch this from server to channel. So you want to use the variables to replace that, and the user you want to also use to replace the name. So it's going to pull the name of that person. So you want to replace that with this. And once you're done, go ahead and click on update, and it's going to basically pull the channel and the username, and it's going to say welcome to this. Maybe I should put the word to there to make it better. Welcome to this channel, and you have the name user. Once you're done, just go ahead and click on update, guys, and that's all that you have to do. Whenever a new user will join your channel or the server, they will be greeted with this welcome message.